Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamenta kasngi. Hadian ka jingya ken atpot hapdeng ka Assam at Meghalaya ka kinhun menteri kalum ya ka jingya mirjingmut ban Shimrai ban bu no ya ki police outpost habaro ki khaput ka jylla. Ya ka teila Shimrai bat pinsngau do menteri rangba ka jylla ukonrat ke sangma. Menteri rangba uyathu baro ki jaka ki bajur ka jingya ken atpot hakhaput ka jylla bat ka Assam on penyeng de ki border outpost BOP jong ki pulin. Katay karay ka baki menteri ki shim haga jingyalang hadin balami ka jingja hasnong mukro ha ka bahadu hendrungut ki briu kilayam na ka jingther kuli ki pulit Assam ha ka arfu arturek unaiwing. Ka kinhun menteri kan saray khaddu ya ka thup kerteng jong ki jaka ki badan kamban penyeng ya ki BOP. Ka sorkar kala pentip ya kani karay siya kinong yalam na ki sengsan perthai bapher ba ka sorkar kala shimrai ban penyeng ya ki BOP ha kini ki jaka bajur ka jingken at yathu menteri rangba hadin ka jingyalang kinhun ki border outpost police ki ban penyeng bala penbena hamukro West Giant Hill district ka way hatiwai East Giant Hills district.
Gone into details of that. We can examine that if necessary, and we can talk about and discuss it. Right now, as I said, we felt that we needed to immediately ensure that the presence of our forces and our police forces to give a sense of security and safety to our people was absolutely necessary, and hence we have immediately gone for this step. Other measures we can definitely examine. So, the border outpost, East Gente Hills, will be in Moria, BOP. In West Gente Hills, there will be two, one in Mukro and one in Tuid, TIHWIEH. In Riboy, right now, as of now, it will be in, one has been approved for Rani Jirang. In West Khasi Hills, formal sanction and approval has been given for 3 BOPs, Umwali, Lejadubi and Lampi. We are watching the law and order situation very, very closely, and all our police personnel and our entire government machinery is on, is keeping a very, very strong watch on the law and order situation. We are seeing that situation is calmer compared to before, but of course it doesn't mean we can be complacent. So we will ensure that we are vigilant and keep monitoring the situation. And I also urge our citizens and our elders and different civil society and different NGOs and all the people of Shillong and Meghalaya as a whole that this is an important phase for us, and violence is not the way for us to move forward. We're not achieving anything by being violent. The people who are suffering are our own people, and there's no reason for us to do that to make our own people suffer. And hence, yes, it's a difficult time, but this is the time we need to work together and move forward as a state and as a people. Larger scale, obviously there have always been discussions about a larger kind of a blueprint that's required, which involves developmental aspects and different kind of law and order aspects. But we have gone into these decisions based on the clear-cut requirements that are there. As I mentioned that these aspects will be further examined, and we are further looking into other areas also, which then can be part of a larger policy that we may require. But as I said, immediately we could clearly, from all the reports we got from the police and from the local administration and from local leadership and from different organizations, that these are locations which are very sensitive, and hence steps need to be taken at an urgent level. And hence to build back the confidence and overall, especially of the local people living in these sensitive zones, so that we avoid any kind of incident in the other areas also. We are going ahead with these decisions. But yes, you're right, in the larger overall picture, we need to plan out for the overall developmental aspect. This is all connected to multiple aspects. Development is also an issue in it. Presence of forces is an issue in it, and obviously the long pending border issue in itself is an issue in it. So therefore, yes, while we examine all of that, these steps have to be taken.